Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to do a deep clean and decorate with me. As you can see, my master bedroom has seen better days. It looks crazy, but you know how it's crazy, but it's kind of organized. I really just need to put the new sheets on the bed, put away my boyfriend's stuff. This is some of the decor that I'm going to use when I'm doing the dresser. We started hanging photos on the wall, but I wasn't, because I wasn't satisfied with just the two mirrored end pieces. I'm also in the middle of refinishing or painting this antique dresser. So I want to go ahead and get in here and finish this paint job. I'm going to record that for you all because it's a chalk paint, and I guess we should just get into it. I probably have about an hour to try to get as much done because I'm gonna have the TV mounted up right here above the wall. So I want to have the room at least, you know, presentable or picked up by the time the guy comes to mount the wall. I have to knock out all of these boxes. These boxes are part of the room makeover. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the phone down, turn some music on, and let y'all enjoy. So the first thing that I like to do when cleaning my room is put away all of the clean laundry from the day before. So I'm just going to go ahead and knock that out, and then we'll move on to the next thing. These are the pillows that I ordered for the bedroom. They are by the brand Beckam. They're the wholesale collection. They are really great quality. I actually love them. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox all of the rest of the Amazon stuff so I can get these boxes broken down and taken outside to the recycling. So this right here is the area rug that I ordered to go with the bed set. I'll put the link below for the brand that I ended up finding. It's really good. You can't vacuum it, you have to sweep it. And this is the pillow cover that I ordered for the bedroom. The new bedroom colors are going to be navy blue, teal, gray, and white. Now online, I thought I was ordering navy blue and teal. So if you can see, it's navy blue and then this supposed to be teal, but that almost looks like a green. This is navy blue. That's an area rug, so that came out well. And then I ordered a throw for the end of the bed, which is also supposed to be teal. But as you can see, it looks green. But I guess the good thing about them not being accurate with the color pattern, at least they wasn't accurate all the way through. So basically, the green and the this is a duvet cover. The green and the duvet cover, and then the throw, they're both supposed to be teal, but they actually match pretty well. They came out, green, but it's okay. So the theme for the room was going to be teal, gray, white, and navy blue. So I guess now we're adding green to the mix. So luckily, even though these two colors are off, they're still the same color. So we'll see how everything turns out. Okay, so I got the bedding in the washing machine. I'm gonna go ahead and open up these pillows so they can start to inflate or whatever. And then I think I'm gonna move on from my bed and work on my chair over here. Basically, all I have to do on my chair is just put away my boyfriend's clothes, and I think I still have some more pregnancy outfits that needed to be folded and put away in my dresser. So once I do that, I like to take a can of Lysol and just spray down the entire surface of the chair. I'll either use Lysol or I'll use some type of Febreze. I happen to have Lysol on hand today, so that's what I used. So to start making my bed, I like to take the duvet off and throw it over the door. I turn the fan on and I open the window so everything can get aired out for at least an hour before I move on to putting the fresh sheets back on the bed. I washed the rest of my sheets except for the mattress cover, so I'm just shaking it out to get any dust or crumbs that may have been left behind. It was just recently washed a week ago, so I opted to not remove the bed cover at this time. Okay, so I'm going to take a break from the bed and just remove all of the pieces from my boyfriend's nightstand. I don't know why, but I never seem to clean in any type of order. If I see something, I'll pick it up and then I'll go to something else. I don't know. Is anybody else scatterbrained like that when they clean? Like maybe I should have finished my bed and then moved on to the nightstand. I've just always been like that. But so once I get all of the random junk put back where it goes, I'm gonna get some Windex and then some newspaper from the sales paper, the Sunday sales paper, and just go ahead and give his nightstand a good wipe down before I put any decor on top of it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and work on my side. I put my baby ultrasound photos away. I just love those. But I'm going to go ahead and get a terry cloth and clean my nightstand and my Keurig and put everything back. Once I finish with my nightstand, I'll probably go ahead and try to get my jewelry armoire organized a little bit and wipe it down and then move on to my vanity. This is the last piece of furniture that I have to clean, and then I can go back to my bed. Okay, so in this corner, I decided to bring over my wall mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and Windex it really quick, and then I'll move on. In front of my mirror, I found this beautiful tall vase in Burlington. I believe it was about 25 to 30 bucks. I also found these Z Gallery look-alike flowers. They're gray and silver, so I'm gonna add the bundle of 3 to those and see how I end up liking it. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and style my TV stand. This is one of the candlesticks that I found in Burlington. It's just white and it has like an iridescent finish. So I'm gonna wipe it down, and what I do to one side, I will do to the other. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with the dresser, and I'm just gonna take this lavender and peppermint fabric spray. I got it from Home Goods, and I'm gonna spray down the sheets. It helps with the smell, it helps you to sleep better at night, and it also helps to release some of the wrinkles. So once I have that sprayed nicely over the top sheet, I'm gonna go ahead and take this steamer and do a quick press of my sheets. You can feel free to do it on the ironing board or skip the ironing board. Put your sheets on your bed and iron them straight on the bed. That's the way I do things, just to save time. It's been about 2 hours since I opened the windows and put my duvet on the door, so it's had enough time to air out. So I'm going to go ahead and put my duvet back on the bed and then struggle with the duvet cover for about 30 minutes. Thank God in YouTube time, you guys don't have to wait through all of that. I don't know if anybody has any tricks to getting the duvet cover on. Please leave them down for me in the comments, because it just takes me the longest time. But once I finally got it on, I used my steamer again, and I used it to release the wrinkles out of the duvet cover. It just gives your bed a nice plush hotel look, and it adds to the comfort. Okay, now I'm just taking my pillow protectors and putting them on the pillows. These are the Beckam pillows, the new ones I got from Amazon. So as you can see, they fluffed out to be pretty nice and full. They sleep really great. I'll leave the link for those and the pillow covers down in the description box. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on my pillow protectors and then add the pillowcases that came with this bed set. Okay, so right here you see me adding some art to our mirrored frames. I decided that I wasn't satisfied with just the 2 pieces of art above the nightstand, so I wanted to implement some pieces of artwork, some photographs that were important to our family. I got them printed out at Walmart. I believe these are 4x7 pictures, so I got them done in black and white so that the theme will be cohesive. So I'm just going to add those to the 3 frames that I got, and then I'll get them placed up on the wall. I can take a brush and brush it out and make it fluffy, or I can leave it like this. Like a wild style, or should I fluff it? I mean, straighten the fur out.
It looks fine like that.
Like this?
Yeah,
This looks like somebody just woke up.
Big hair pillows. Okay guys, so this is going to wrap the video up. I included pictures of the final product so you can see how my room turned out. If you enjoy clean and decorate with me's like this one, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment and let me know if you enjoy or if you like my new color scheme in my room. Let me know what colors are you using in your bedroom for this season. Be blessed.